The Sony a6700 and A7C Mark II. Two cameras that share a lot in common. But the question is which one you should buy in 2025 or upcoming 2026. Let's talk about this. Both of these cameras are small and compact and made with the same intention, travel and content creation. They look almost identical, they weight almost the same. The a6700, yeah, it's around 409 grams, and the A7C Mark II, 429 grams. But the biggest difference is the sensor. One is crop sensor and another is full frame. I have been using both cameras for a while now, and in this video I'll try to compare them a bit and we try to find out which one is the best for you. So the A7C Mark II has the 33 megapixel full frame sensor, and the A6700 has the 26 APS-C sensor. Of course, the full frame gives you a better dynamic range. Also, you get cleaner low light performance and that really nice shallow depth of field. But the crop sensors are typically, they are much lighter, much more compact. And when you start to talk about lenses also, they are way smaller, they weight much less than full frame. So they are great for traveling, hiking, climbing mountains, for example. Both cameras shoot in S-Log3, S-Cinetone, and the footage looks incredibly good and similar. The A7C Mark II can shoot in 4K, 24, 30 and 60 FPS with a slight crop. But this little beast, A6700, can shoot in 4K, 24, 30, 60 and even 120 FPS with a slight crop. What a beast camera it is. That 120 FPS is perfect for those cinematic slow motion shots. Both record in 10-bit 422 and they are super easy to match. I mean, when you color grade, it's super easy to mesh. In low light, A7C Mark II definitely performs better. Less noise, more detail, but overall, you can shoot pretty good low light video with A6700 too. You just have to be aware, you know, play with the light, where you have to choose the scenes correctly. And overall, both cameras, they produce beautiful images. Even though both cameras are compact, small and very similar in size and weight, the real difference comes from lenses. Crop sensor lenses are way lighter, way smaller and cheaper, while full frame lenses are much bigger, bulkier and more expensive. When I travel, especially when I go to mountain climbing and hiking, I always take my A6700 and pair it with Sigma 18 to 50 mm f2.8 lens. It is so freaking light and compact, and it is perfect for stills and video. You can even vlog, you can do vlogs, shoot pictures and yeah, get all those cinematic shots and you don't feel the weight. For professional work, even the A7C Mark II is made for more for also travel and content creation. I use it for professional work and I pair it with the Sigma 24 to 70 mm f2.8 lens. It is much bulkier, much heavier setup. The A7C Mark II is basically a compact version of A7 IV. It's the same sensor, everything is same, it's just a smaller body, and it's, yeah, it has some upgrades like AI, autofocus and all that stuff. And a lot of people complain that the A7C Mark II has only one card slot and very small and uncomfortable eye viewer, but for me it's not the problem. I mean, barely use the eye viewer, just use the screen, good enough for me. And one card slot is also good enough, at least for now. I mean, but honestly, even A7C Mark II is made more for content creation and travel. I use it for professional work and it works perfectly fine for me. at least for now. In the future, I'm probably gonna get another camera, full frame also for like professional work. Like, let's see what the A7 V will look like. But for now, works perfectly fine. And both cameras, they cost quite similar. The a6700 costs around 1,200 euros, roughly. And the A7C Mark II, I believe it was like a couple hundred euros more, so it's 1,400 roughly. For me, the a6700 is my go-to camera for travel, 100%. For travel and adventures, I love that thing. It's small, light, compact, and very, very capable camera. And for now, the A7C Mark II is my workhorse. I use it mainly for my professional work. Both cameras are incredible tools. You can even do professional work with A6700. So which one should you buy in 2025 or upcoming 2026? I mean, both cameras, they're quite similar. You can use both of them in travel or for professional work. But for me personally, if you travel and you hike and weight is quite important for you, go for a6700, that's for sure. But if you don't want weight and you just want the best quality possible, go for A7C Mark II. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below about those two cameras. See you in the next one. Bye.